Today I would like to present this small Sony Trinitron color TV. This is the model KV-1310. It was built in 1973 and was the second generation of small color TVs that Sony sold in Europe. To avoid the PAL license fee, the PAL signal is converted to NTSC, which is why it is unusual for PAL sets of this time to have a tone control. The design of the knobs is very similar to the drum tuners on the devices from the US. There are two selectors for UHF and VHF. The TV also has an AFC function for automatic picture tuning. There are two controls on the top, one for brightness and one for vertical hold. At the back, we find the VHF-UHF cable connection, where either the rabbit ears can be connected directly or the regular cable connection. The unit came to me with the usual faults, loads of picture geometry flaws. Unfortunately, the capacitors made in Japan at the time are no longer reliable nowadays. Therefore, it is recommended to replace all electrolytic capacitors on the deflection board. Afterwards, the geometry flaws were completely gone without any manual correction. The second problem was a contact problem, especially when using the AFC. Since the chassis was completely dirty, all pots had to be cleaned once. The problem did not occur anymore after the cleaning the whole board. Last but not least, the UHF selector was completely frozen. The oil had turned into a solid goo and a lot of alcohol was needed to clean the mechanics. After all these steps, the television worked perfectly again and delivered a great picture.
Wenn Sie San Francisco mit dem Auto entdecken wollen, müssen Sie sich auf einige Berg- und Talfahrten gefasst machen.